Hi everyone, my name is Judy Brown. This is a first video in a series of videos I'm going to do. My first series of videos is going to be about power tools. So I want to start off with power tool safety. The number one thing that you want to remember to do, safety glasses. Don't forget this, your eyes are way too valuable for you to do that. These are prescription glasses. You can get a variety of safety glasses. This kind, these are nice because you can hang them around your neck, take them off easily. The most important thing about your safety glasses, though, is that they're comfortable. Because if they're not comfortable and you can't see clearly, then you won't use them. So we want to protect our eyes. Next, I want to talk about hearing protection. Now, it's all going to depend on what type of work you're going to be doing, but it's certainly worth considering. So these are very inexpensive. You can buy hundreds of them in a little package at your local hardware store for next to nothing. So be sure to protect your hearing. Next, I want to talk about dust masks protecting your breathing. This one, pretty simple and straightforward. Put it on over your head. This little that metal piece there, that's intended to pinch around your nose to keep it in place. This you can use when you're painting, that kind of stuff, if things are just bothering you, light dust from maybe cutting. If you need to go to the next brand, it would be this one. This will protect you against maybe insulation, that kind of stuff. So this would be the next. And of course, then we have exposure to mold and mildew and very potentially toxic dust, like sanding something that may have lead-based paint on it. You want to do something like this. Next thing I want to talk about, ladies, is your hair. If you lean forward, your hair hangs below your chin, you need to pull it back. So keep a hair tie handy. Put your hair up. That way you don't ever have to worry about it getting caught in a tool. Next, I want you to pay attention to jewelry, or if you wear a jacket that has strings on the hood, same thing. If you bend over and it hangs in your way, you need to do something about it. So jewelry, you can tuck it in your shirt, and toss it around the back and tuck it in your shirt, or better yet, take it off and put it somewhere safe. I don't recommend you putting it in your pocket, because this is what happens. Stick it in your pocket. Later on, you grab some tools, you stick them in your pocket, then you go to grab it out, and then you're going to spend the rest of the day searching in the grass for your expensive jewelry. So take it off, put it somewhere safe. Last but not least that I want to talk about, work gloves. My recommendation, especially when you're working with power tools, is that you don't wear gloves. Ladies, you know it's very difficult to find gloves that fit. What these do is make the task actually harder to do and unsafe. And I'll show you when I get to the power drill how dangerous these can be. So if you're doing work with wood, lumber, just need to accept the fact that you're going to get a splinter, but that is unsafe to wear gloves. So that's a quick safety for power tools. And of course, with many other things that you're going to be doing, you want to consider all those, but most especially when you're using a power tool. So my next video is going to go through the parts of a power drill. Thanks.